So back to work in the 401 suite, and with one of the rooms that we've been sort of avoiding for quite a while, which is the bathroom. Now the bathroom's needing quite a lot of work doing to it, not only because obviously it's a bathroom and we've completely changed it all, but because the work that was already previously done in there needs changing now as well, because we've changed the layout. So where the bath and the toilet were originally going to go, we've actually changed and they've got a new location. So that means more plumbing. So we need to take out all the old plumbing that's already there. Well, new plumbing that's just been fitted. We need to take that out, put in the new route, and then put in all new hot and cold feeds in to go to the shower, the toilet, the sink and the bath. And then on top of that, we need to take up the floor, inspect all the beams, because there's a couple of beams that are a bit iffy, sort them out, and then get some more boards down as well. So yeah, all in the day's work, but like I said, I'll crack on with that now, get that sorted and go from there.
As you know, we all need to stay hydrated here. It is so important here at the Chateau, and to be well hydrated as well with good quality water. And that brings us on to the sponsor of today's video, which is Waterdrop. Now, the reason we've partnered with Waterdrop is because we live in a 300-year-old building. Pipes here are ancient and they very well could have lead in them, and that's a heavy metal. It breaks down in water, and there's no real filtration we could use to actually remove that metal from the water unless we use a 5-stage reverse osmosis like this Waterdrop. And that's the exact reason we use it. And the filtration in it is so easy. It's literally pop it out, cartridge in, turn it, it flushes itself and it's done. So it's superb. And the other good thing as well is just the water to change it. And it's literally just a case of you fill your cartridge and it's got a line up at the back, and it literally just slots in. Don't even have to look, it just slots straight in and straight back on, and there's our unit. Amazing product. We've been using it a couple of days now, and the difference it's made, not only in the water quality difference, but the energy efficiency as well for us, because we boil a kettle every single time, and as you know, you never use every drop that's in the kettle, or it's just wasteful. This, we can measure out exactly the cup size that we want, and we get our nice hot teas and coffees just at the push of a button. It is so easy to use. So all we do is select our cup size, we've selected our temperature, it's got a child safety lock so the kids can't just come along and burn themselves, and away you go. We get the exact amount of water we need for the cup size that we want. Now, the reason it's important to us is because, like I say, we need to keep hydrated, and this, I can taste my coffee now, and I know it sounds stupid, since this has gone in, I can taste my coffee and it tastes wonderful. So cheers to Waterdrop for sponsoring this video. Please check out the link in the description for some amazing offers. Supporting our sponsors helps support our channel as well, so please check them out. And I'm going to go and enjoy my coffee. Oh my god, what have you been up to?
This has changed.
Didn't like how it looked.
We have less walls than we had before.
The plumbing's almost sorted.
Almost.
Almost.
Rearranged everything. You happy with it?
Yeah, it's getting there. It's just been a bit of a nightmare. Yeah. Took the wall out afterwards. So,
After you did it, you took the wall out.
once I struggled for hours and hours.
That's genius. There's not much left to do then.
No.
Well, this has all changed. Like you've just said, I haven't seen any of this. So to come up and see floors out, walls out, new plumbing, Terry's done a good job. He knows what he's doing. We don't question Terry, but it's just a bit of a shock. He told us what he was going to be doing, but it's different and a lot more work to do. But as you remember, the 400 suite was in a much worse state than this, and this isn't actually too bad. We've got the basic framing. We just have to build a couple of walls, which again, I think if we'd have said this 4 or 5 years ago, we'd have had a kit in. But just building a couple of walls in the Chateau now just seems par for the course, really. It's normal. And while Terry's been in, he's just pointed out, and I'm not going to go too far because I don't like height, and that's the kitchen below me, but we've got the old water pipes in here now. Some of you will remember when we first moved in here, this Chateau has 24 rooms, and out of them 24 rooms, we didn't include this one because we've actually took that out, so it would have been 25. There was a toilet, one sole toilet, and we still have no idea where that waste went. So it could be a case of that pipe's in the wall just full of poo. And we honestly don't know. So no, it clearly went somewhere. We were using it for a while. We just didn't know where it went. So luckily we've got it all sorted now. We've got our new plumbing in, which goes to our brand new Foss septic. So it's all good. And it's just a case of putting everything back together. Floor had to come up. The boards just were not thick enough. Tracy actually went straight through the floors down here. And as you can see, some of the old beam work is a little bit naff, shall we say. So we're going to have to do some repair work here just to get it all sorted. Again, we know the majority of everything's structurally sound. That's on top of an actual wall right now, and there's a piece of cement there. So it's literally just going to be a case of building something through it, which again, that's child's play when you've been doing this for the last few years now. So again, we've had to take this one out just so Terry could get in. He said he struggled for the whole day with this wall in before he decided to take it out, and got it done in half an hour. So one of them things. Again, it's just a case of change of plans to make the bathroom actually fit what we want it to do. And we've made the bathroom bigger, and that's on part because we've sorted out the 400 suite, and we realised that we want a bigger bathroom, a little bit grander. This is going to be for 4 people, this suite, so it kind of needs to reflect that as well. Bigger shower, bigger bath, toilet's the same size, like, and so is the sink. And Terry's just kicking everything out the way, so if you can hear him, that's just him in the background while I'm talking away. But no, it's looking good. So we hope you've enjoyed today's show. If you have liked it, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you got the bell click for notifications. And we'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.
If you'd like to be part of our journey and help restore the Chateau, then please join us on Patreon, where you'll be part of our journey, receive a piece of the history, and get exclusive videos.